A few years ago, I got a call from a founder, super passionate, full of energy. And he said, Ananya, I have got this billion-dollar app idea and I just need your team to build it. We jumped on a call. He started describing it, a voice full of excitement. But as he kept talking, I couldn't shake off one question in my head. Will people actually pay for this? In that moment, I realized something important. Most startup ideas don't fail because of bad technology. They fail because no one validates them before spending thousands building the first version. Hey, I'm Ananya Banerjee, co-founder of Sunyam Software. I work with founders to turn ideas into real apps. So I told the founder, before we write a single line of code, let's validate this idea. He wasn't convinced. He said, but I have already done my research. People said it's a great idea. That's the trap. Friends, family and social media comments, they will always say, wow. But wows don't pay bills. So before you spend months and thousands on building, here's what I told him. 1. Market demand check. I asked him, how do you know people even want this? He froze for a moment, like I would just said something unexpected. So I told him, go to where your users already hang out. Search Reddit, Quora, App Store reviews, even TikTok comments. See if people are already complaining about this problem or looking for a solution like yours. If no one's talking about it, maybe the problem isn't that big. 2. Problem solution validation. Next I said, don't assume what users need. Talk to them. Find 10 or 20 real people who would actually use your app. Ask them what they are struggling with, what they have tried before, and how they would like to be solved. Sometimes those conversations reveal insights that can literally reshape your entire idea before you have spent a dime on development. 3. Monetization clarity. Then came the tough question. Will people pay for it? It's easy to assume they will, but reality says otherwise. I told him, test willingness to pay before you build. Create a landing page, show your concept, and offer a small pre-order or early access sign-up. If people are ready to give their email or even a small deposit, that's proof you are solving a real pain point. That's the point where the right guidance can save you a lot of time and money. We help founders turn ideas into testable prototypes so they can validate before they invest big. 4. Competitor gap analysis. Once he started researching, he said, but there are already apps doing this. I smiled and said, perfect. Competition means there's demand. Your job is to find the gap. Instead of cloning features, focus on what they missed. Build a simple MVP around that one gap, that one unique value. It's better to launch small and validate first than spend a year building everything and realizing no one needed half of it. So, if you are sitting on that billion-dollar app idea, take a pause. Follow these simple but very important steps to validate your idea before you spend months and thousands of dollars building it. Market demand, talking to real users, checking if people will pay, studying competitors, and launching an MVP. All these steps give you clarity and confidence because the smartest founders don't just build, they test, listen, and adapt before writing a single line of code. And if you need help turning your idea into a testable MVP? That's exactly what we do at Sunyam Software. We guide founders every steps of the way from idea to launch. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button. I share tips every week to help founders build smarter, faster and better. See you in the next video. Bye.